Hello guys, myself Archanand Bhargav and you are watching Amisaro YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna tell you about managed hosting, that what is managed hosting and who should choose the managed hosting and why you should choose managed hosting. And last one, how can you purchase this? So let's get started. So let's start from the first part, that what is managed hosting. Managed hosting means managing the all those technical stuffs which you don't want to handle. Suppose you having a website or you want to build a website, but you don't want to handle all those technical stuffs. That's why you hired someone to handle all those things, server problems, and then you can focus on your business. I tell you from example. Suppose you having office, in office you having a some work like cleaning, like lighting fixing. So these types of work, for you hired someone to do. So this is what actually called managed hosting. Let's move to our second part, that why you should choose managed hosting. Let me be honest, managing a server, fixing a server errors is not easy for everyone. Even beginners can do this. For do this, you require experience, you require a skill, you require a time. So if you are an expert, then you can via hosting, only hosting. I'm not talking about managed hosting. When you purchase a managed hosting, then you can focus on growing your business through a website, through a app. It's depend on you, that what you do. Managed hosting save your time. After buying a managed hosting, you don't have a things to do, lot of things. You can just focus on your business, and the server problems we will handle for you. So this is why you should choose managed hosting. Now move to our third part, that who should choose managed hosting. Managed hosting is good for bloggers, developers, e-commerce website owners, and all those beginners who don't know that how to fix the server problems and technical stuff. So this is good for them. So this is the managed hosting in simple words. If you are thinking to buy a managed hosting, so you can visit on our site, which name is called amazeserver.com. Just go there, choose the right one for you and why, and just you have a managed hosting. All those technical stuff we will handle for you. We provide 24 into 7 support and all those things which required for managed hosting. So you can visit on our site. So thanks for watching. I think you understand that what is actually managed hosting. See you in next video.